In this video, we will learn about data types in JavaScript. Most programming languages are strongly typed. In these languages, whenever you use data, you need to explicitly state what sort of data you are dealing with. JavaScript is a weakly typed language. You don't need to specify type. There are different data types that we are going to use or will use in JavaScript. Numerical data. Numerical data comes in two forms. Whole number such as 150, which are also known as integers. These numbers can be positive or negative and can span a very wide range in JavaScript, such as minus 253 to positive 253. Other numbers are also known as floating point numbers, such as 1.234. They can be positive or negative. And then there is another type, which is text data or string. For example, if you write hello world in double quotes, this is a string. We can also use single quotes. They both represent a string in JavaScript. Another data type is Boolean. Boolean data type has two possible values, true for yes and false for no. And we can have our own custom data types such as classes from which we can create objects. We will learn more about objects in our other videos.